Hello, my name is Cliff. I'm an industrial designer on the Bernzomatic new product development team. And I'm here to tell you about the Bernzomatic Swivel Torch. Swivel Torch is perfect for copper soldering, brazing, heat treating, and auto repair. And it's one of our torches in the Pro Torch line because it uses MAP-Pro and propane. And it has this very unique swivel feature that allows you to position the torch head in whatever angle that you need. It has an adjustable swirl flame. So we open up the gas, click the igniter, and you can adjust it rapidly. You can adjust the flame or shut it off. It also has a unique bucket feature where if you're going to store it for a few minutes, you can put it in the bucket that way or hook it on to something else. And if you'd like to know more, contact bernzomatic.com.